Brooder EXP6. The Brooder EXP6 is an off-road trailer designed for adventurous outdoor enthusiasts. The EXP6 is built to withstand extreme off-road conditions and provide a comfortable living space for extended outdoor adventures. It features a robust suspension system, high ground clearance, and heavy-duty construction to tackle challenging terrains. Despite its compact exterior dimensions, the EXP6 offers a surprisingly spacious interior. It has customizable layouts and can accommodate various amenities such as a kitchenette, sleeping quarters, dining area, and bathroom facilities. This trailer is designed for off-grid living. It features a large water storage capacity, solar panels, lithium battery systems, and a diesel heating system. These features allow for self-sufficiency and extended stays in remote locations. Raptor XC. Rugged and roomy, the Hunter Nature Raptor XC camper brings the comforts of home to your Outlander adventure. Its compact teardrop design can easily be towed with a mid-size SUV. Once you arrive at camp, a rear slide-out expands to transform the interior into a multi-room living space. Adding 7 additional feet, the nearly 7 feet of extra space in the slide-out section is meant to be used as a dedicated bedroom and can accommodate 2 adults. Meanwhile, the spacious main cabin features a compact kitchenette with a 2-burner stove and fridge. It also houses a combination dining and lounging area with bench seating and a pop-up table. There's also a full bathroom with a sink, toilet, and shower. Intech Flyer Discover. Experience the future of transportation with Intech Flyer Discover, a groundbreaking innovation that combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and unparalleled performance. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city, or embarking on an adventure, Flyer Discover is your ultimate companion. Remarkably, the Discover provides ample room to comfortably sleep 4 to 6 adults. The interior space comes furnished with a 2-burner stove, large farmhouse-style sink, and large fridge. The Flyer Discover doubles as a microlight toy hauler with its loading ramp door rated at 2,200 pounds and spacious interior to fit your ATVs, bikes, and more. Flyer Discover is powered by an advanced electric motor, providing you with a quiet, efficient, and eco-friendly ride. THEDOOKAN. A multi-purpose tent for creative camping might be rare to find, but Handybro is putting its best foot forward with THEDOOKAN, an all-in-one tent for camping, backyard, fishing, stargazing, and outdoor activities. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to set up the 2-story modular loft tent where people can sleep and sit on the 2nd floor while hanging hammocks on the ground floor for them to swing on and laze about. With that kind of weight, it could be worrisome whether THEDOOKAN can carry that load, so Handybro has placed a beaten-up car on top of the modular loft tent's frame to test its durability. It didn't shake or tremble but stayed in its position. So, if 2 or 3 people are chatting on the 2nd floor while 3 more are lounging in the hammocks on the ground floor, the durable frame of the loft tent can weather the weight up to 660 pounds. Brooder EXP4. The Brooder EXP4 is a highly capable and rugged off-road trailer designed for outdoor adventures. It is known for its exceptional off-road capabilities and versatility, offering a comfortable and functional camping experience in even the most challenging terrains. The EXP4 offers ample interior space for comfortable camping. It features a pop-top roof design that expands the headroom when parked, providing a more spacious feel. The interior can be customized to accommodate various sleeping arrangements, storage options, and kitchen facilities. The EXP4 is designed to be self-sufficient during camping trips. It features a built-in electrical system with solar panels, deep cycle batteries, and an onboard water system, allowing for extended off-grid adventures. GoSun Camp365. The GoSun Camp365 is a compact and portable camper designed for outdoor adventures. It is a versatile and innovative camper that offers a range of features for camping enthusiasts. The Camp365 is designed to be lightweight and easy to tow, making it convenient for travel. The camper also includes a compact kitchenette with a sink, stove, and storage space for utensils and supplies. It has a fold-out dining table and seating area, providing a comfortable space for meals and relaxation. The interior can be configured to sleep up to 6 people. One of the standout features of the GoSun Camp365 is its integrated solar power system. It comes equipped with built-in solar panels on the roof, allowing you to harness solar energy to power the camper's appliances and electronics. This makes it an environmentally friendly option and allows for off-grid camping. Cotopaxi NT2. The Cotopaxi NT2 is a camping tent manufactured by the outdoor gear company Cotopaxi. The NT2 is designed as a 2-person, 3-season tent suitable for backpacking, camping, and other outdoor adventures. The tent is relatively easy to set up with color-coded poles and clips, allowing for a quick and hassle-free setup process. The NT2 is designed to comfortably accommodate 2 people. It has a spacious interior with enough room for 2 sleeping bags and gear storage. The rainfly of the Cotopaxi NT2 is made from durable, waterproof materials to keep you dry during rainy conditions. The bathtub-style floor is also waterproof and helps prevent water from seeping into the tent. Thermo Tent. Thermo Tent is a brand of innovative tents designed to provide enhanced insulation and temperature regulation compared to traditional tents. These tents are specifically engineered to offer a more comfortable camping experience by controlling the internal temperature and reducing condensation. The main feature of Thermo Tent is its insulation capability. The tent walls are constructed using a combination of insulating materials, such as foam and reflective layers, which help to retain heat during colder conditions and reflect sunlight during hotter weather. This insulation helps to maintain a more stable and comfortable temperature inside the tent. Thermo Tent also incorporates a ventilation system that allows for proper airflow, reducing condensation buildup inside the tent. Earth Traveler Teardrops. Ultralight teardrop trailers are compact and lightweight camping trailers that are designed to be towed by smaller vehicles, making them an attractive option for outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore the great outdoors with minimal setup and towing requirements. Ultralight teardrop trailers are known for their simplicity and efficiency. They usually have a sleeping area inside the trailer, often with enough space for 2 people. And some models may include additional amenities such as a small kitchenette or storage cabinets. Despite their compact size, they are designed to maximize functionality and comfort. eco-capsule tent. The term eco-capsule generally refers to a self-sustaining, compact living unit designed for off-grid and eco-friendly living. While there are various interpretations of the concept, one specific application is the eco-capsule tent. The design of an eco-capsule tent typically includes a compact sleeping area, a small kitchenette, a bathroom, and storage space. The interior is designed to maximize functionality and optimize the use of available space. The eco-capsule tent is a portable, self-contained living space that aims to minimize its environmental impact while providing basic amenities for habitation. These tents often incorporate sustainable features such as solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and efficient insulation to reduce energy consumption and waste. Polydrops P17. The Polydrops P17 is an electric travel trailer. The P17 is known for its distinctive and futuristic design, combining elements of a teardrop trailer with modern aesthetics. The P17 is equipped with a battery system and solar panels, allowing for off-grid camping experiences. Despite its compact size, the P17 offers a comfortable and functional interior. The layout typically includes a convertible bed or seating area, storage cabinets, and a small kitchenette. The interior is designed to maximize space efficiency. The P17 is designed to be lightweight, making it easily towable by a variety of vehicles. Gillard Shelters. Gillard Shelters of France offers a range of rapidly deployable mobile shelters offering rapid semi-automated assembly for military applications. The shelters, which come in 3 sizes, offer a unique level of resistance to climatic constraints and are suitable for numerous applications, including as first aid posts, canteens, accommodation units, and maintenance workshops. Gillard's range of military shelters includes the 60 square meters, the 120 square meters, and the 320 square meters shelter. The 60 square meters fast setup mobile shelter can be transported by trailer with its own ingenious hydraulic self-assembly system and can be fully erected by 2 people in just 15 minutes. The mobile military shelter is able to withstand winds of up to 120 kilometers per hour.